After Effects has an enhanced Roto Brush that will quickly isolate moving objects with just a few clicks. Quickly isolate moving objects twice as fast as before and with even higher quality and precision. The updated Roto Brush tool uses an entirely new AI model to magically select and track objects in your video. This saves you time by automating the manual rotoscope process. Even hard-to-track objects such as overlapping limbs are simple to mask. Plus, hair and transparencies are now easy to deal with. The next generation of Roto Brush, when paired with the Refine Edge tool, will isolate it and mask it with ease. And with feather options, you can seamlessly blend the edges of your mask for a natural and professional look. Check out the latest version of After Effects and see how an improved AI model can give you superior results the next time you want to knock out an object from your footage.